So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram error. Sorry, there was a problem with your request. If you're also facing this kind of error on your Instagram account, in this video I will show you how you can fix that. So let's start video without wasting any time. And firstly we need to open App Store and search here Instagram. Okay, tap on Instagram and you can see a person screen. Here are showing a pending update of Instagram. Just update your Instagram to the latest Instagram update, and after that you can easily fix that issue. Okay, if that method not working and you are still facing this kind of error, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your internet connection. Okay, make sure you are using strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. You are using slow internet connection, then maybe this error appears on your Instagram accounts. Okay, if that method not working and you are still facing this kind of error, then move to the next solution. The next solution is uninstall Instagram app and then reinstall it, and after that you need to log in your Instagram account. It will 100% log in. Okay, if that method is also not working and you are facing this kind of error, then move to the last solution. The last solution is open iPhone setting and tap on general. After tapping the general, you can see a person screen, VPN and device management. Make sure you are not using any VPN on your phone device. If you are using any VPN device, just remove that, and after that you can easily fix that. So friends, by do 2 to 3 simple steps, you can easily fix that your Instagram error on your Instagram account. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks.